Hello, today I will guide you on how to delete downloaded, failed, and pending Windows updates. Step 1. Open File Explorer. Open File Explorer by clicking its icon on the taskbar or searching for it in the Start menu. Step 2. Navigate to Windows Installation Drive. Click on this PC in the left panel, then double-click on the drive where Windows is installed, usually C. Step 3, locate the software distribution folder inside the Windows drive. Double-click on the Windows folder, then find and open the software distribution folder. Step 4, delete the downloaded update files. Open the download folder inside software distribution. Select all files and press the delete key or right-click and select delete. After deleting the files, close File Explorer and restart your computer to apply the changes. Step 5, check for Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Check for Updates to see if Windows updates correctly. That's it. Your pending or failed updates should now be cleared.